Alright guys, I am about to unbox the KZ ZSN Pro 2 IEMs. Let's start. I have been wanting these for the last 2 years. I have a pouch to keep them and it is the bill, the earphones, and there is nothing else inside. Okay, this is the real deal. I did not expect it. Small box. Cutting the box now. Okay. KZ ZSN Pro 2 IEM. कौन सा side? Okay, this is the correct side. Wow, premium unboxing experience we have finally. Just a plastic casing. Your IEMs, earbuds, what do we call this? And these are, I guess, the earplugs. These are the earplugs. 2 more pair. This is the silver coated wire that we have, and this is product warranty card. That's all that I have in the box. First thing first, and let's unbox the cable, silver coated cable. All right, it's a pretty nice cable. It is a 3.5 mm jack. You can also get a type C, but I got this one just in case. And it's time to plug the wire with the IEMs. Okay. Yo. It's also available in silver and gold. I got the chromium coated IEM. Alright, let's connect the wire. How do I know the left and right? Which one is left, which one is right? It's a pretty small connection. One done. Second one also done. Alright, now let's try it. Okay, so this is how it looks in here. It's actually pretty good. It doesn't need a voice cancellation feature because it blocks every air, sound travels through air. It doesn't need any sound cancellation. If I wear both of these, I won't actually hear anything. And now I can actually hear nothing of the outside sound. My ears are actually blocked. These are actually pretty good. And I did my research. It's for the price range of 2500. These are pretty good IEMs. Alright, now I'll be streaming happily. I'll be able to play the games more happily. I've been wanting this for the last 2 years and now I finally have it. Let's go, dude, let's go. Alright, that was it for today's video. And yeah, this is actually kind of an important thing for me because I stream a lot. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hit like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.